Okay, I'm giving them an comment. This video only him gwalunu one certain time. Or the kikunu one or the gika go up on mad now. Or the Igbo Mbaka. It's a question kanjo. Or the Igbo Mbaka. Only him gwalunu one says him. Oh, kundiga felebe na ami. No why no ni me now. No why I know ya enwe kundiga felebe na ami. Not that they are above the law. And I have go that level of have another na Mbaka no kita assassination or Mbaka no kita zezota atuele or Mbaka no kita agaya pin or Mbaka gagida sina EFCC or Mbaka no gide na sina Mbaka da logbenye or na no gide kwa sina no da logbenye that he can no longer feed will be the level some of the things his property, just like many people encounter strange, mysterious occurrences in their life at one stage or the other. People have covenanted with their life and God that as long as their generation are alive, now this person will not go hungry, that this person will not complain lack of clothes, that this person when they hear me, a face-to-face covenant with Otago. Just like when he said, God has a covenant with Noah, I think, because it's not so much as the earth remaineth, there will always be a harvest season and a planting season, summer and winter season, rain and sun. I say, in as much as the earth. So also as long as no work that those things are bound to also that has been an everlasting covenant. And we're going to do covenanted with them that as long as Nanda no one, there are some things I hear me. And we back a here goes we escape when Madi Buya. We are as I only have that's Namarum. And when the no one, I didn't put a nature and I said, what do you could get Jozi? And when I buy a dwiggy, only buy a dwiggy, ilu by funa. Even devil himself, Jackie away there, Eban, thou shalt not enter, beware of dog. Oh, maybe Yanka get no one. A man even a queen sooner when Jackie where delegate this place, beware of dog. So come not you good there. Then we'll learn that a time in their life came. Just imagine the life of Job, for example. Bible said that and Job was the greatest man from the east. That even Satan have to testify that Job beginning is a servant of God. You need get this video, can Satan give that kind of testimony in your life? Is he goes Ijebe? Where they could where they get away to Jesus where they don't know road. Eba will no road. We queen so they could shall not enter, beware of dog. A catch it in Tenaba. Na ike kwa muno amakwa mi mmona achi uno mana nere this video kono no kambaka si we ku okunu ya.
And I'm closing this exhortation with a testimony. Nege nonti imakiyeni na afio okwala sanga na ndi wa kotara na amaro yoka jidindo ta na amaro nko na wono we odute na room ya, otherwise he could have died. Musia nege nti na testimony kinu ya ofuma ni ihe mere. So, and otherwise, okay, go by now. What's how? The same group I contact with her. And say, can see draw or so father children does not cheat. Can you do time and taboo? Najo taboo for what? Again in a taboo. I want Aramia until this Saturday. Okay, make program. Mwega was there ordination now. Sega wituku. Hello? I opened my house to be rearranged. The books, shelves, ndolwe bata. We bury we hand down a bury. We shift over chef the nakuku bed. Na I was akuko. Ihe afọ nnukwu cobra. John Sota agwọ si adọcha gbakocha Park ya. Dọrọ otu a. Dọrọ otu ahụ. Mana ọ dọrọ n'ozu otu ahụ. How did he die? I don't know. I was telling the people I was with last time that in a dream, I stumbled upon a group that were having a meeting. And they said they must kill Father Mbaka. That was what they were doing. So one of them saw me coming and told the other person, there's somebody coming here. The other person asked, is the person carrying Bible? I said, yes. It's all Mbaka. So they dismissed the meeting and shrinked into one person, muffed. Ofoya was the agwo. Agwo we chuba m also. I was telling them, oh, man on unlock and kahumere. Where na chum Mbaka to no sim okwi iji mmanaka. Instead of one mamji, no Bible. Awesome na the word of God. Is it no longer the sword of the Spirit? Quoting Ephesians 6:17. Moto ayamma. Mse umtukwane kita Bible asekashia. I say it is no longer a book. In your hand, it has become the sword. So, kagwa to nuru na bia nukwago ntuale no in the dream. Now Jesus. Agwa na ekwu okwu. I said the end has come today. Una say back to sender. Come nas back to sender. Mtupu mma. Ofucha santukwana mma mi say. Much when as to go there first. Mwe topu ya mma je gukuri ya n'etiti afọ. It was rolling and died. Mbazia michara mama o kan for no. Kan miara mama. Okwa Bible kan bo na cause. I woke up. Them na gonna say man ebe obo na onwugo. Say na the thing na wan patoyi. Ya ka Saturday nke mbosia. Before I'm put out for the all-night vigil. Wọ́n ọgwụ agbara. Ka ka akwụkwọ kwadochara onwe ya. Nọrọ n'akụkụ isi bed ka ihe a dị o. Bed m bụ otu a, the shelf dị otu a. N'azụ the shelf ka ọ paaki. Zoro n'azụ curtain. Isi dị otu ahụ ọ tọrọ n'ozu. Etu a ka ọ ga-emekwa n'isi nke ugwu.